Hi, my name is Guy Yalif. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Intellimize. We help performance marketers drive better conversions by changing their websites, by personalizing them for each individual visitor, and we built a predictive personalization system to help automate that. One of the questions I get asked most often is, how do I set up a predictive personalization campaign to maximize the likelihood that I'm going to go drive big lift and show some wins? I'll talk through the 5 ideas that come to my mind in this video. The first is to carefully pick where you're going to invest your time and energy. My suggestion would be, look at the flow of visitors across your site. See, where do they drop off? Where do they leave? Where do they tend to visit before they convert? And focus on those areas because they're higher leverage points. 2, think through what you want to test. And my suggestion would be to keep it simple, that you think through who are the different segments showing up to this page and how do I want to speak to them differently. And then pick 3 things on the page that you want to change. It might be the headline, an image, and a call to action. And then create 3 variations of each of those things. So create 3 headlines, 3 different images, 3 calls to action, and let that run for a little bit. That'll help you get a better sense of how the system is working. It'll help you demonstrate some early momentum because you'll probably be able to show lift, and you'll certainly be able to demonstrate a bunch of progress quickly, and use that to build some early momentum. Then I would suggest, as you structure your experiences, make sure they're not overlapping. What do I mean by that? If you have an experience that is changing the headlines and another one that's changing the images, that's great. They can each run independently. And in fact, a predictive personalization system is going to run both of them at the same time on every impression. If, however, you have an experience that is changing the headline and another one that changes the image and the headline, now you've got a conflict. And you should avoid that by either combining them all into one experience or separating them out so they can each run independently. The 4th thing is to go spread your bets, is to think, how many different hypotheses can I go test early on? Practically, this means, as an example, instead of looking at the headline that we've been talking about and creating 9 different versions of headlines and putting those out there, do what we said a minute ago. 3 different things on the page, 3 versions of each. That will help you understand what is performing better on the page so you can lean into those things and create derivative variations of those as your next round of ideas so that you can try to get more of that good performance. The last thought would be to assess that performance and iterate. This is an ongoing process. It is very unlikely that you will maximize performance in one round, and so you want to build that early momentum, analyze what's going well, do more of that, and keep moving rapidly. A predictive personalization system should make it easy for you to test a lot quickly and keep iterating. My hope is this helps you set up your predictive personalization system well with these 5 ideas.